Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I just wanted to show you a new feature that I've added to my Chrome extension called Tab Request Capture. So essentially what this is when you come in here, it'll show all the tabs that you have listed or that you have open in your browser. Next, when you click on one of these, so say example.com right here, what it'll do is it'll open up a side panel where it will intercept any HTTP request that comes through. So say for example, we reload this page, we can see the call to example.com and also one for its icon. If we click on this, we can of course see all the headers that were sent. We can see if there was a body, if there was one. And of course we can change all this stuff, and then we can send the request to see what we get. So this is the HTML that's returned, and then this is an overview of the response. And once again, with this stuff, you can either save the request, so save it to your request inside WittCode, or you can copy the curl, and then say you wanted to work with this inside Postman instead, just go to import over here, paste in this curl, and it'll create the request with all the HTTP headers, body if there is one, and all of that stuff. And once again, this is all these requests will just be from the current tab. So say for example, we go to WittCode.com here, what it will do is pick up all the HTTP requests that are only in this tab. So we can see some JavaScript requests, an image. So if we want to send this request, we can see the image that's returned. And of course we have easy searching. So say you just want to search for anything with 401, maybe a post request if there is one. And it works even when there's a lot of requests. So say if we go to YouTube, we can see now we have lots of requests filling in, but searching is still very quick and very easy. So we can search for the ones that we want to find, just like this. And another cool thing that I also added is to make this easier is say you don't want to use this page here. What you can do is go into settings, and I have this little switch right here called display WittCode icon that when you click it, what it will do is, let's go to my website here for WittCode. If I refresh this, we can see a little icon on the side here now, which will be present on any kind of page. So say we go to Canva, for example, we can see the icon over here. And when we click it, it'll open up the side panel for looking for requests from here. So we can see this post request from Canva, for example. Refresh it, of course, and we'll get lots of other requests. And if you don't want this to show up, you can just click this little X and it'll disappear. Or of course, you can go back in here and toggle it off. And then also this works with header modification. So say you want to modify your headers. So for example, I just have these that don't really mean anything. Let's change this to say authorization and add some fake kind of JWT. And if we add this, so now what this will do is set an authorization header on every request. If we specify the rule regex as just a dot, which means basically every URL, and we save this. Now if we go in here and let's open this, let's refresh this page. And if we look at these requests, so just this one right here, we should be able to see an authorization header. And actually we don't, and that's because back in here we need to enable this rule. So let me close this, actually delete this one because there's nothing in there. Save these rules. And then if let's do this again. So we're still looking for requests, just refresh the page. Now they're 304s. If we look at this, here's our authorization header and the value. But yeah, so this is a new feature for my Chrome extension, WittCode. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Give me some feedback, maybe a new feature you'd like to see. But I guess thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one.